With the students and professionals. So today Ayush Karate Tandem Manager of IHM Gurukul will help you to cover the continental cuisine DCDP and CDP food trial recipes which are being tested and are reviewed under food trials. So if you are having a food trials schedule for your interview, you can use this ebook for your knowledge and know which are the recipes and more creativity can be enhanced in your dish. So we will help you to cover each of the recipes and salads and appetizers and different dishes we have covered. I will help you to know which are the recipes we have covered here, and you can buy this book on ihmgurukul.com website. The link has been attached below. So the first is the salad section: Maryland chicken salad, fresh spinach and avocado salad, parmesan and poached egg salad. Soup, we have pumpkin soup, minestrone with pesto, scotch broth, corn and shellfish chowder. The appetizers, we have Pierce and Stilton, chicken liver pad with marsala, bruschetta with goat's cheese, fish and shellfish. We have Cajun spice fish, special fish pie, stuffed fish rolls, salmon with spicy pesto. Poultry and game, we have chicken parcels with herb tea butter, duck with chestnut sauce, chicken in green sauce, chicken with lemon and herbs, oat crusted chicken with sage. In the meat section, we have oatmeal and herb rack of lamb, spice lamb with apricots, beef Wellington. Vegetarian dishes, we have broccoli cauliflower gratin, spicy jacked potatoes, stuffed onions, tomato and basil tart, asparagus rolls with herb sauce. Pasta, we have pasta with roasted pepper sauce, tagliatelles with hazelnut pesto, tagliatelle with saffron mussels, broccoli and ricotta cannelloni. The measurement guide we have used in this book is the standard spoon and cup measures are level: 1 teaspoon 5 ml, 1 teaspoon 15 ml, 1 cup 250 ml divided by 8 FLOZ. So we have been mentioning this mostly the food recipes are covered by Chef Sanjeev Singh. So you can also watch most of the videos that we have in continental cuisine on YouTube channel as well, so that can be more knowledgeable to you. So if you are facing any payment issues in purchasing this book, or if you are upgrading in your culinary career through a diploma or hotel management career and need more guidance in choosing which diploma or hotel management career to choose, and if you are need any assistance services in terms of going abroad for learning purposes, you can contact us on the given WhatsApp number. If you need any assistance, or if you are facing any other comments, other questions, you can also comment below and we will help you to clear it. Thank you.